So this function here is grabbing the data as an associative array, and we're putting it inside query row. Therefore, inside our while statement, our while loop, we can echo out this specific data. So we can echo out query row. Remember, we're using an array, so we use square brackets here. Now this corresponds to the row, the field name that you want to show. So I just want to show the name, so I'm just going to type name into here. We're going to append a line break on the end just to keep things nice and neat and tidy, and what we can do is, if it is greater than 1, we can echo up here, say results found. And what we can also do is we can echo out the number of results found. So let's take this. I'll demonstrate the way the program's working at the moment, and then we can make that slight modification. So let's go and refresh the page. Okay, so I'm going to type in Alex and click search. You can see that results found Alex Garrett and Alex Malcolm. Now let's search for Garrett and click search. You can see that we've found everyone with the surname Garrett. Now let's just type in Dale, click search. We can see we've found one result. Let's type Garr, again everyone with that. Let's type in A, and you see we've received all results because every result has an A in it, or every record has an A in it. Now we can protect against this. You could, for example, say if the query string is smaller than a length of 4, which is what most applications do, they don't allow you to search for data that's under, say, 4 characters, because you'll return too many results. So let's just go ahead and do that. So if empty search name, so inside here we're going to say if strlen search name is greater than or smaller than, we can say is greater than or equal to 5, or 4, we'll say greater than or equal to 4, then execute all this code. Let's find where we've got 1, 2 closing, so we'll put that there, and then we're going to indent all of this. So essentially what I've just done is I've added in another if statement saying if the string length of search name, so we're using the string length function of search name, is greater than or equal to 4, then we can run all this code. Then otherwise we echo your keyword must be 5 characters or more. So now if we try to say Alex, this is going to work because it is greater than or equal to. If we would say A now and click search, your keyword must be 5 characters or more. So we're now coming into more of a search engine based tutorial, I guess. There's a couple of more things we need to address, or one more thing that we need to address, and that is how many results that are found. So I'm going to go ahead and take out this here, and I'm going to put it into a new variable called query num rows. So now what I can do is I can substitute this in here, query num rows, and we can also echo out here query num rows dot space and results found. So this is going to say a number, and this is the same number as well, so we're using this variable. That's why I took it out and popped it into this variable here, and we're appending on a space and then results found. So let's go ahead and type in Alex, click search, 2 results found. It's displaying 2 results. Now let's go ahead and type in Garrett, and you can see that 3 results are found and it's displaying. So this is the like condition in PHP. Like I said, you can use this with underscores to represent specific characters, so we're filling in the blanks for specific characters, and also we can use our wildcards on the left, right hand side, or on either side of our value that we're trying to match to. So we've created a little program that searched for names. You can use this to search for absolutely any data. You just need to take into account what I've said and represent the field names with the names that you want to search with.